Please don't bite me. Just know you're gonna bite me. You're too big.
Did you see that leap? That's how fast nature surprises us with a jump, and that's exactly what inspired Zesto Royal Essence Soap. Just like that frog's sudden move, we capture nature's purest energy and transform it into luxury. Every bar of Zesto Royal Essence begins with rich oud oil known as liquid gold, blended slowly with cold-pressed natural butters and essential oils. You can almost feel the royal aroma taking shape as each soap is poured, cured, and polished by hand. This isn't just soap. It's a royal experience crafted for skin that deserves nothing less than perfection. Feel the richness, smell the oud, and discover why thousands are switching to Zesto. Zesto, where nature meets royalty.